We had a customer uh, who had basically they were a manufacturing facility that got some of its raw materials kind of pre-finished from another manufacturing facility up the food chain. Well, it just so happened that uh, that plant that had come online up the food chain was in a market where the infrastructure wasn't quite as developed as they thought it had been. And when they turned that factory online, it basically shut down the water for the entire city. Okay. And so they kept getting the raw materials that they needed, but they didn't have the component that they needed from this one factory because it was basically shut down. Well, everything else they needed kept showing up. And so typically they would put those components together, send it out the door somewhere else. Well, they've got to shelf all these other units until they get that factory online. And so they have essentially called us because they needed a temporary storage solution to put that stuff in until they could basically figure out what was going on at this other plant location.